finished with the spray plastering, and we had it spray painted as well. And there's a lot of corners and angles in this house which have been really difficult to do with trowel, and much easier to do on the spray plastering system.
Yeah, well, we're glad to have SAS back because we worked with our old company with SAS, and we sold their product there, and we told this employer to employ them here because of their quality of what they do.
No waste. Basically, everything that we use, as in when we're troweling off, gets troweled into the bucket, wiped off into the bucket, that goes back into the hopper, basically recycled through the machine, back on the walls again. So the material doesn't actually go off. It basically goes straight back on the walls, and that's how it works. Yeah, drying times, as opposed to traditional products, it's 50% product, 50% water. Ours is 20% moisture, water, and it's all glues and binders, so i.e. there is no drying times with it. Savings on scaffolding, i.e. high areas, basically the whole floor area has to be decked out so that 2 or 3 men can get up there and actually trowel the ceiling to a finish or plaster the ceiling. With ours, because it's spray applied, you can reach up to about 4 metres, and obviously, as you saw in the video before, with the extendable pole, everything's done off the deck. So as opposed to ceiling combined with scaffolding, man hours, setting up, taking down, obviously, if you work out the hours involved in the footage that you saw, ours is literally a fraction of what theirs would be.
Very good to speak to on the phone, get back to us, no problems whatsoever. More than happy, and I'm speaking to our contracts manager only today. He's looking forward to giving them more work in the future.
I mean, so with a plastered finish, they basically shine it up. That's how they get their finish. So then they have to do a mist coat over that, which seals it in. Then the decorator comes in, pre-fills because the material naturally shrinks. So they have to come in, pre-fill, sand, and this is even before they start painting. Whereas with ours, with our spray applied system, it's spray applied plaster, then it's spray applied paint, then the decorators come in on ours. So basically, they don't have to do hardly anything. The wall that you've just seen us sand, we sand it to a finish, which eliminates the process of decorators coming in, pre-filling and sanding, which is what they'd have to normally do on skim. And as you can see with the speed that we go at with the paint rather than a roller finish, we apply the mist coat, then as that's tacking off, come straight back over with a second full coat, and then when the decorator comes in, basically all he's got left to do is the cutting in on the ceiling line, 1 roller coat down the walls, we get the ceilings to a finish, and that's how we leave it. So basically eliminating time and labour, and all that equals the cost on site.
Well, the benefit from SAS for our company is that last Monday they started the job, and as you see today with 2 coats of paint on the wall, they've completed it, which allows us time to bring in other trades and get the job finished early. If we had gone through the original channels of skimming or dry lining, the job would have been another fortnight later, so therefore the children wouldn't have been able to get to school.